Hi guys! So, fit check tayo. We're here in Zurich, Switzerland. Ito yung outfit ko for the day. Ano lang, minsan lang to. So, magpipicture tayo ng bongga at I will try my best na mag-vlog. Sana makaya ko matapos tong layover na to na pinapakita ko sa inyo lahat. Sana hindi ako tulog kasi medyo pagod din ako from flight. But yeah, just to show you my outfit. Yeah, feeling kikay. So here's the whole area. Yeah, this little zone area. Yeah. And this is so much greenery here. And as you can see, ayan, ang ganda-ganda dito. So ngayon, nag-drone shot kami kasi para sa vlog. At the same time, may ma-upload na reels. Kasi nasa Switzerland ka naman, so you better do everything you can. And it's just one day layover, so less than 24 hours. So we're gonna make the most out of it. So, we're here in Griswold. Oh, okay yung weather ngayon. Sunny siya. But if you're gonna go on top, like here, I'm gonna show you. Kasi, pwede kayong magpunta dyan. You can see naman na may snow sa taas. So, it's gonna be cold. But, if nandito lang kayo sa baba, okay lang. Tapos, puro nature and mountains, as you can see in the background. Wow, ang ganda ng view, guys. Look at that. This is Switzerland. Naghahanap kami ngayon ng spot para mag-picture. See, outfit check. Ganda, grabe. This video doesn't do justice. Like, look at that. So, we're here in Interlaken. As you can see, ang ganda. Hindi din masyadong maaraw. So, tamang lakad lang tayo dito. Guys, kapag nagpunta kayo ng Switzerland, make sure nag-ipon talaga kayo. I mean, you have a budget because the word cheap doesn't exist here. Sobrang mahal ng tour, sobrang mahal ng bilihin, sobrang mahal ng food, but it's all worth it. Kasi, ang ganda talaga niya. It's like a paradise. Super worth it naman yung gastos nyo. So, if ever you're planning to visit here, I suggest na talagang mag-ipon talaga kayo or paghandaan nyo talaga. Kasi, ayaw nyo naman pumunta kayo dito na parang, wag natin gawin yan kasi mahal. Mas maganda pag nagpunta kayo dito, gawin nyo lahat. And, kasi sa isang araw pa lang, one day pa lang ako dito. Imagine, less than 24 hours pa lang ako dito. Magkano na yung nagagastos ko. And that's because of the tour. Tapos, ang lalayo din kasi ng mga tourist attraction from one place to another. So, yung pupuntahan natin ngayon, dito nag-shoot yung Crash Landing on You. Napaka-famous na nitong lugar na to, especially sa mga Filipinos and Koreans. Like, dito nagpa-piano si Captain Ri. And of course, alam mo naman, as ang mga Filipinos, mga K-drama lovers yan. So, pupuntahan natin siya. And it's here. Yes, you can see marami nagpi-picture dyan. Look at the lake. Sobrang blue na blue. Tapos may mga maliliit lang na mga houses dito. Actually, it's not maliliit. It's like medyo hotel type pala siya. Kasi some people, they really stay here. Pupunta ako dito, I would love to stay a night here. Kasi sobrang ganda ng view. Alam mo, gigising ko sa umaga, tapos ito yung makikita mo, guys. Itong tour na to, we started 11 a.m. So, pick up and drop off sa hotel to. I think it's around in pesos, like 40,000 pesos yung nagagastos nyo just for the tour. Guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, kapag nandito kayo, mas mamamangha kayo kasi this videos doesn't do justice about the things that you can see here, like in person. And we have to look for our tour guide, Kuya Mike, because he's gonna take a drone shot for us. So, ito yung pila sa famous spot. So, walang time limit dyan. Kahit 1 hour sila mag-picture dyan. Walang sasaway sa kanila. But you have to pay 5 Swiss franc for that per person. It's already 6:31 in the evening. 2 hours and a half drive pa kami pabalik sa hotel.
From there,
Diba? Ganda pa rin.